Energy efficiency is a priority for many homeowners in Palm Coast, where hot summers and mild winters demand optimal temperature control. One often overlooked factor in achieving a comfortable and energy-efficient home is the state of your doors. Replacing outdated or inefficient doors with modern, energy-efficient models can make a significant difference in your home's energy performance, comfort, and even your monthly utility bills. Here's how door replacement can enhance the energy efficiency of your Palm Coast home and why it's worth the investment. The role of doors in energy efficiency. Doors are an integral part of your home's envelope, the physical barrier that separates the indoor environment from the outdoors. If your doors are old, damaged, or poorly sealed, they can become a major source of energy loss. Gaps, cracks, or inefficient materials can allow air to leak, making it harder for your HVAC system to maintain a stable indoor temperature. An energy-efficient door minimizes heat transfer and air leakage, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. This reduces the strain on your heating and cooling systems and translates into lower energy consumption and costs. Key benefits of replacing your doors: reduced energy bills. Energy-efficient doors are designed to insulate your home effectively, minimizing the need for constant heating or cooling. Over time, the savings on your energy bills can offset the cost of replacing the doors. Improved comfort. Drafts and temperature fluctuations can make certain areas of your home uncomfortable. By replacing old doors with well-insulated, airtight models, you create a more consistent and comfortable indoor environment. Enhanced durability. Modern energy-efficient doors are built with advanced materials that are resistant to warping, cracking, and other damage caused by Florida's humid climate. This longevity reduces the need for frequent replacements and repairs. Environmental impact. Lower energy consumption not only saves you money but also reduces your carbon footprint. By upgrading to energy-efficient doors, you contribute to a more sustainable future. What makes a door energy efficient? To maximize energy savings, it's important to choose doors with the following features. Insulated core. Or look for doors with a foam-filled core or other insulating materials that reduce heat transfer. Weather stripping. High-quality weather stripping seals the edges of the door, preventing air leaks and drafts. Energy Star certification. Energy Star rated doors meet strict energy efficiency guidelines set by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA. These doors are tested for their ability to insulate and reduce energy loss. Low-E glass panels. If your door has glass inserts, choose models with low emissivity, low-E, coatings that reduce heat gain while allowing natural light to enter. Signs it's time to replace your doors. How do you know if your current doors are hindering your home's energy efficiency? Here are some signs. Visible gaps or cracks around the edges. Drafts or noticeable temperature changes near the door. Or difficulty opening or closing the door due to warping. condensation or fogging between glass panes, outdated materials that lack insulation. If you notice any of these issues, it may be time to consider a door replacement. Choosing the right door for your Palm Coast home. Palm Coast's climate calls for doors that can withstand heat, humidity, and occasional storms. When selecting a replacement door, consider the following. Material. Fiberglass and steel doors are excellent choices for energy efficiency and durability in Florida's climate. Style. Choose a door that complements your home's aesthetic while meeting your energy efficiency needs. Professional installation. Proper installation is crucial for maximizing energy efficiency. An improperly installed door can negate the benefits of even the most efficient models. The long-term value of door replacement. Replacing your doors is more than just a home improvement project. It's an investment in your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and resale value. Potential buyers are often drawn to energy-efficient homes, making your property more appealing if you decide to sell. In conclusion, upgrading your doors is a smart and practical way to enhance your Palm Coast home's energy efficiency. With benefits ranging from lower energy bills to a more comfortable living space, it's a decision that pays off in multiple ways. Contact a trusted door replacement professional today to explore options tailored to your needs and start reaping the rewards of an energy-efficient home.